Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face of Revolution makeup, and it's not just makeup Revolution or Revolution only, I don't know. It's the whole family, so I got things from Revolution, I got things from Revolution Pro, from iHeart Revolution, and one item still from Freedom. And before we begin, I would really like it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would be so excited if I could reach 100 subscribers before Christmas. And also, this is kind of a different background. Let me know in the comments if it's good or bad. I'm still trying to figure things out. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so there's a little bit of echo in here, but I hope it won't be too noticeable. So to start, I got everything that I'm going to use in this bag. And the first thing, I am going to start by priming my face with the Revolution Aqua Priming Base. This one I've been using for a while and it's really nice. And for foundation, I am going to use the Revolution Fast Base Foundation. And I got mine in the shade F6. Let's see how this matches my color. It's very creamy. And I'm going to use a brush to blend it. Kind of light shade for me now that I've had a bit of a tan. I'm gonna try to blend it a little bit more with the sponge. I look so pale. From the stick, I actually thought this was going to be my shade. Oh, but I'm kind of a little bit tan, so guess not. And for concealer, I'm going to use the Conceal and Define. And I got a new shade. I got it in the shade C6. So let's see how this one applies. Okay, so the concealer looks good. I had it in the shade C4, this is C6, and I think it's better than the other one, but I'm really not loving the foundation. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but the foundation is kind of sinking into my pores. Okay, so something else new that I'm going to try. I got the Revolution Pro Pressed Translucent Powder. Comes with a mirror. Seems to be quite finely milled and it mattified my skin enough. Now, also something new that I want to try is the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade, and it looks like this. I got it in the shade Ebony. This is kind of something new for me. I haven't used a brow pomade before. Trying just a little bit at a time. I think this is a good shade for me, and it doesn't come a lot on the brush, so I guess it's kind of an easier thing to use. Okay, so I really like how this made my brows look, and it was actually quite easy to use, so I am pretty happy with this one. Okay, so now I'm thinking let's try give a little bronze to this face, and I am going to use the Freedom bronzer. This one is just a matte bronzer, but I really like this color. It's showing up a lot with that very pale foundation. And for blush, I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Blushing Hearts, and this is in the shade Bursting with Love. That looks like this, and I'm going to focus on the more pink colors. This is a very nice blush. And for highlight and eyeshadow, I am going to use a palette that I still haven't tried. That is the Love the Revolution palette that's got 6 eyeshadows and a big highlighter in the middle. It just looks like this. And that's a very pretty highlighter. A little bit there, and okay, so for my eyeshadow I am going to start with this color, and I'm going to put it all over the lid. And now I am going to take this cool toned brown as a transition. Now I'm going to take this kind of burgundy color on my crease. Okay, and now I am going to deepen up a little bit of my outer corner with this kind of dark brown color. Taking just a little bit more of the burgundy color on top. Now for my lid, I am going to apply with my finger this pink shimmery color. Try a little bit more with a flat brush. It's got a lot of glitter. Now I think I'm going to take one of these sponge applicators, and I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter for my inner corner and my brow bone. Finally, on my lower lash line, I'm going to mix a little bit of the red and the dark brown. Okay, so that was the eyeshadow palette, and now I have the I Heart Revolution multi-liner pen, kind of getting a little bit of the sun. And I think I'm going to try the black as an eyeliner. It's really close to my lashes. This is actually more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be, and maybe a little bit on my waterline. Yeah, this works surprisingly well. And I think I'm going to apply the nude eyeliner on my lower waterline. So this one doesn't seem to be as pigmented, but I did have a little bit of transfer from the black one. And I'm going to set this aside for a moment. I'm trying the nude lip liner on my lips, but first I got this mascara, and it's the Revolution Amazing Volume. Just to kind of play a little bit safe, I'm going to use first the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray. I've been giving this one kind of a second chance because I had an episode with mascara all over my under eyes, but I've been kind of liking it to refresh my face, just kind of playing it safe before the mascara. And let's try it. Kind of like the shape of the wand. I don't know about amazing volume, but it's very decent volume. It's not a makeup look if I don't get mascara on my lid, but let's just let it dry a little bit. Yeah, so the mascara is really nice. I'm kind of surprised. It's not the best mascara, but it kind of separated them very well. It's very black and it's very cheap, so yeah. Okay, so now I am going to try the lip liner. It's kind of a pinky nude color. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it like that. It's not the most creamy lip liner ever, but it's pigmented. And for my lips, I'm going to use this gloss from the Revolution Nudes collection. This is in the shade Skinny Dip. It's kind of a mauve color. Okay, so this is really nice. It's kind of a different color from what I used to wear, but I kind of like it. So yeah, this is the finished look. Okay, so my thoughts on the products. The base is really nice. The fixing spray is okay. And okay, so I am kind of disappointed on the foundation. Yes, I know it was not my shade, definitely not. Maybe in the winter I will probably give it another try, but I don't really like the texture. I feel like it's sunken into every single pore that I have. And I've had it on now for like at least half an hour, and it looks like it's not going to wear very well. So maybe in the winter, when I'm a little bit more pale and where my skin is a little bit dry, I think I'll give it a try, but for now it's a kind of a pass. Now, as for the concealer, I really liked the other color, and I kind of like this color too. I think this one is a little bit more, a better shade for me. So this one is definitely a thumbs up. The Freedom bronzer is really good. The I Heart Revolution blush is also very good, and it's got also a very nice light color that kind of works as a highlighter. Oh, also the powder, I think it's nice, is not too good, but I think it's doing the job, so yeah. The eyebrow pomade, I mean, I've never tried anything like this, but I kind of loved it, really. I really like how it made my brows look. It's kind of what I usually like, just give them a little bit more color and try to hold the hairs in place. So this one is very, very good. And as for the eyeshadow palette, I really loved the highlighter. The eyeshadows, I mean, Revolution has a lot of eyeshadow palettes. These are not the best. So in comparison to other eyeshadow palettes, I think they have better, but the highlighter is really, really good. Now, for the eyeliner or multi-liner pen, whatever they call it, it kind of works better than I was expecting. I was kind of expecting a little gimmicky product, but it's actually very pigmented and it's easy to use, and it's also very travel friendly, which I appreciate. The mascara, actually for the price, was pretty good. I think it was like €2.95 or €3 or something like that. And I kind of like the brush. It's very black. It's very nice. And finally, for the lip gloss, this is a very pretty shade. It's not sticky at all, and yeah, this is very, very good. So yeah, these are my final thoughts on the products that I tested. Some of them are new and others are not. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these products and what do you think. And again, as I said at the beginning of the video, I would be so happy if I could reach 100 subscribers before Christmas. So if you want to help, don't forget to click the button down below to subscribe to my channel and join the world of BeautyCraft. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!